everyone, in this video we will go over how to download and install Unreal Engine 5 Early Access from the Epic Games Launcher. With that said, we first need to download and install the Epic Games Launcher. To do that, go to unrealengine.com, link will be in the description below, and click on where it says download. Now on this download page you will have two licensing options to choose from. For this video, since we are primarily interested in game development, we will click on the Download Now button under the Publishing license in order to start the download for the Epic Games Launcher. Once the installer for the Epic Games Launcher has finished downloading, let's go ahead and open up the installer. From here, just click on where it says Install, click on Yes or allow access to all the prompts that you receive during installation or while the launcher opens up. During this process, the launcher should start up automatically to finish the installation process. If you already had the launcher installed, then please open it up now. Once the Epic Games Launcher has finished installing, either sign into an existing Epic Games account or sign up for a new account. After that, make sure that the Unreal Engine tab on the left side of the launcher is currently selected. Then up here, go to the tab labeled UE5 and click on where it says Download Early Access. In this pop-up, click Install, verify the installation location and change it if needed, click Install again, click Yes to this prompt, and now wait until the engine finishes installing. Once the engine has finished installing, let's double check that everything worked by actually running the engine, so go ahead and click on where it says Launch. After the engine has finished initializing, you should see this project browser that lists out your recent projects as well as various project templates. For testing purposes, let's just quickly create a project out of the first person template in the Games tab using the default settings. You can set the project location to be any valid location, and you can set the project name to be whatever you want it to be. Once you have chosen a location and name, go ahead and create a first-person shooter game. And once your project has been created and opened up in the editor, go ahead and try it out by clicking the play button. If you can move around and shoot out projectiles, then it seems like you have successfully installed Unreal Engine 5 Early Access. You can quit playing the game by pressing the escape key. Before ending the video, I just want to mention some useful information for those who may not know. If there is ever an updated version of Unreal Engine 5 Early Access, this specific page in the Epic Games Launcher is where you would go to update your Unreal Engine installation. Here you can also modify your installation to include other build target platforms. From that same drop-down menu, you can also remove and verify your Unreal Engine installation. And lastly, if you ever need to revert back to Unreal Engine 4, you can have both UE5 Early Access as well as any version of UE4 simultaneously installed. With all of that said, that officially concludes this video. If you found it useful, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on our other social media pages, consider donating to Flopram, and special shout out to our higher tier patrons in Logical Cuber, Michael Camisau, Graham Devine, James Rabeau, Stumpy, Dwight Everhart, Mark Wetch, Jimmy Westcott, Morgan Heidemann, Elise Bioblaze Payne, Lucas Moskin, and Rick Morgan. You guys truly help us create educational content, and most importantly, keep the content publicly available on YouTube for free for anyone to watch at any given time. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.